Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button to show your girl some love. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this very cute passion twist hairstyle. Been wanting to do it for a long time, so I decided to go ahead and bless y'all with a little tutorial, okay? Excuse my hair, y'all. It's getting real. So the hair I use is called Toyotress. I purchased it off of Amazon, $45.99. It came with 6 packs, but I only used 5, and it also came with the rubber bands and the little jewelry. It also came with the crochet needle. I use Murray's Edgewax for my hair to slick them down. So all I'm doing is just putting my hair up, and I'm just parting it so I can start this long process, y'all. It took me forever. As you can see, I was on the struggle bus. So when I finally got my part together, I used Murray's Edgewax to, like I said before, to slick my hair down, to make it smooth. And I did not do all of my parts on camera because, y'all, it took me forever and it was just too much. But I was happy that I was done. But, y'all, these parts look so good. So good. Smooth. So what you want to do is grab 2 pieces of the hair. I only use 2 pieces because I like my hair kind of chunky. So what you do is take your thumb and you separate each curl, because you don't want them too, perfect, too curly. Kind of want it kind of messy, kinky. And I had a long piece and a short piece on each side, as you can see here. And I twist it so it can help you put the hair in the crochet needle. So once you have that together, you put your crochet needle underneath the rubber band. Make sure your hook is up. You hook the hair on the hook. Make sure it's closed. And then, baby, you just pull. So once you have that loop on the other side of the rubber band, you separate it and you only bring a long and one short piece on the other side. And then you want to make sure you make a snug, tight tie. Boom. After that, what you want to do is separate the hair, your hair, into 2 pieces as well, putting one piece on one side and then of course the other on the other side. I added water in Murray's Edgewax so it can blend in with my hair. I know everyone's hair is different. Some people straighten their hair, but that didn't work for me, so I had to wet it to make it work. But as you can see, you literally just take the 2 pieces and you twist. And you just want to make sure that the rubber band is not showing at the top, but this method works pretty well for me. And I also use the Eco Styling Gel to help so the hair won't be frizzy. And you just want to make sure you twist it all the way to the end because you don't want them to unravel. Perfect. And as you can see, that looks great. So good. And once again, I'm just doing it again for you guys. Put a little bit of water, Eco Styling Gel, and edge control from top to bottom. And here we are again. Run your thumb through the hair. Make sure there is a short piece on both sides. There we go. And make sure you twist so it can get into the hook with ease. Because, y'all, sometimes it is a struggle. Pull. Make sure you only pull one side of the hair to make 2 sides. We'll separate the hair to make 2 sides. Make sure that's tight. You get your hair, tighten it, and then separate it so each side can have your hair added into it, and then you just twist. You guys, this style is very, very simple, time consuming, of course, but it was pretty easy. It took me forever because I took a lot of breaks and I was watching shows and I got hungry, but if I would have just went through like I was supposed to, it probably would have took me about 4 hours or 5, because it takes an hour and some change to do the rubber bands. That was the most tedious part. But make sure you twist all the way to the bottom so those twists don't separate. And y'all, look at that. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Yes, y'all. And I like my twist chunky, jumbo. I have a really small head, so I just like full hair. So that's why I made mine so big. So if you don't want it big, I would just recommend you just do one strand rather than putting 2 pieces together. But y'all, this is the final look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next Thursday. And you don't want to miss next Thursday. Trust me. Hey, baby, look at those parts. With no help, okay? You don't know. And I totally forgot, I have in 48 twists. All right, y'all. Bye.